is going to be one of the elevators at the University Place Hotel, Portland, Oregon. And look at this. We have a vintage Dover, well, 80s Dover.
Still 70s or 80s.
Basically, at this point, it is.
Oh, I love this design. This is really cool.
Up to 2?
Yep.
Kind of sounded like a Chewbacca motor a bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a very quiet one.
One?
A low pitched. Overhead link. Yeah, this handrail is very interesting for sure.
It is interesting.
Never seen that before.
Alright, go back up one more time. Gonna get a look at the call button out here.
Yeah, there's definitely another elevator here.
There definitely is.
As it should, because it's pretty big too.
Looks like there's stairs that will take us into the rest of the hotel, so I think we'll get off on 2.
Yeah.
Alright. One more ride up. And then we'll get off on 2. And here we go. Indicator looks dead. We're on 2. And here we are.
Anyways, though.